having admin login page. So that admin login page, basically, if we are able to find out admin login page, then we will basically perform the further attacks. There are a lot of different attacks you can perform. Okay, I'll show you the one of the attack. So how do you find it? Everything comes in URL, right? I'm not, and also I'm not asking for a specific website. I'm asking for all the websites. If I'm asking for specific websites, then I have to give the name. Then I'll give basically site colon everything. Right now, I want only everything, right? All websites. So what I'll do, I'll write in url.pk and then admin login. Hit enter. It will show you open. So I'm just opening random pages. Now see, this is one of the website, this is one of the website, and this is one of the website, right? So it says admin login control panel, right? Now it is asking for the username and password. I don't have username and password, so let's give another thing, or 1 equals to 1. This is SQL injection. So sometimes it happens that website is not secure, and when you give these kind of injections, you get login into the website. Okay, I'm not sure about it whether not all the websites, some websites, possibility is there. I think this website is not vulnerable. Only websites which are vulnerable, which are not so well maintained. Let's see for this. Okay. So this one, if you see, this says technopk.com and /login.php login details, but we cannot see any admin page over here, right? There is not an admin page. Okay, but if you go down over here, also you can try. So very simple thing you just need to try. You just need to give username. You just need to give passwords, right? And then just try it out whether you're able to log in or not. There'll be thousands of websites in which you will be able to perform this activity. See, I'm logged in. Right, you can see over here, log out. Website owner is like admin name is Shahid Riaz Khan. So I'm logged in the page of Shahid Riaz Khan. So I want to make any changes as an admin. I want to put any particular thing over here. I can do that. Right, let's not do it. Let's log out. But yes, this is one of the way of performing this activity. So this is also another bug. This bug will give you near about $5,000. Okay, $1,500 to $5,000. Any amount in between this you can receive from the company, but only from the company which are basically good companies, not something like technopk.com. They'll not give even you a single dollar. Okay, so if like top 100 websites, top 500 websites, if you visit, if you will find anything in those something like this, they'll definitely give you some good amount.